Hi guys, day 5 and we have left Hatton. Today destination is the Agma. It's like 40 kilometers from here. Again 40 plus. So let's see. Let's go. Before starting we should eat, right? Let's eat now. Village. Sorry, Hatton is a town. This is a village. Norwood is a village. So guys, we reached Norwood by taking a bus. Took us only 70 LKR. That's cheap. And we found the trail and we have started our walk today to Bogantwala. That will be stage 8, and the next stage is to Dayagama. That is stage 9. So we are planning to do both today, and it's gonna be 33 kilometers. Let's go. Climbing again through the tea states from Norwood to Bogantwala. I guess that's how it's spelled. Check out this view and that hut. So nice. And the teas. So many good views everywhere. I think that's Adam's Peak. That's the biggest one here in this region. This trail seems to be quite easy. Like we're mostly, after climbing from Norwood, we're mostly walking flat to the tea estates. And the weather is good. So I like it. I like the weather. And I like the view. Check out the river. So nice. So big. Just look at this. Hi. Hey guys, we did our lunch at Bogwanthala and we have hit the trail for Dayagama now. Time is like 1:39. Let's see when we reach. Guys, it feels like we have to traverse this mountain and go other side to reach Dayagama, because we asked local, there is no road here. You have to go back to Norwood to catch a bus to Dayagama. So these are two in opposite direction. So the only way we can go there is climb this mountain. Guys, indeed we are climbing and it's, oh my god, tiring. Just had lunch. I was feeling sleepy. Now this climb. Why does this climb always come after the lunch? Ha! Guys, can you see this mountain? Yeah, this is the one we have to climb. I don't know how to climb. And we need to cross this one. And I see there are rocks patches and there is water. So it's going to be slippery. Let's see. Let's go and see. Guys, we finished climbing that mountain. We have come to the other side, but as you can see, the clouds are roaring, so it's gonna rain soon. Now we have to just walk this way all the way to Dagama. So guys, that is Bogantwala Peak, and once you cross this mountain, it's generally plain grassland to walk. Whoo! Guys, I thought this trail is easy, but look into this. This is a swamp, king swamp. There are logs in between. I think that side, bro. This side is full of water. Gone. Completely gone.
I think this side is fine.
Hmm? I have to dry my shoes, man. How to walk tomorrow? Yeah. That side, if you go, you'll completely get drowned. Go, 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 go. Slippery. Fuck this. Go, go, go. I'll jump. The sun came out, but fuck this. I was about to fall down. Let's go get the fuck out from here. Guys, after crossing that swamp, we have come onto a road now. I don't know for how long this will be. Again, we go to our next adventure. Let's go. Guys, every day when we are closer to finish the trek, some of the worst forest section starts. Just think if you are like late by 1 hour, stuck in dark here. So many leeches here. We're quickly getting out of here. Fuck this place. Where there is no sunlight, there are leeches. Guys, finally we reached Dagama and we have asked the hotel guy to come and pick us up because that hotel is like 2 kilometers from here and we already walked 33 kilometers, so we don't want to walk more. We'll stop and wait for him here. Signing off for the day. Bye.
Meanwhile.
हो